Okay, let's take a look at how we can get panels to remember their location within the After Effects user interface. So if you look at my UI here, you can see that I have a number of After Effects scripts permanently docked, but there's a lot of scripts that I want to use temporarily, and I want them to be in a specific place. I don't want to have to fiddle with the window every time I open it. So to show this, I'm going to share with you a script that I've been working on called CopySwitch. And what it does is it lets you quickly change text without having to do it the traditional way, which would be to take the text tool and then click in here, select everything, type in your new word, and enter. I know it's not too bad, but I wanted something that was a little bit faster than that. So CopySwitch is just this simple window here, and with a text layer selected, you can just type in to the panel here, and I'll just type in fast and hit enter. It automatically deletes my text input and changes it, and it keeps the same font size. Here, if you don't want the text to automatically change, you can hold down Control and click, and then the text just changes to switch without that little circle. And if I type in here, it'll keep the word there if you want that. The other nice thing is you can also do multiple lines of text at one time. So if you hold down Alt and click on the switch, we get this batch replace window. So if you have something like multiple lines from a spreadsheet, we can copy this. Let's jump back over here to After Effects. We'll paste this in here and click on Apply, and that works out really nice. You can also use a custom delimiter, so if you don't have any lines in here, if they're all in one line and you just want to have maybe a comma between each word to determine the different lines, you can do that as well. So pretty nice. It comes in really handy. Now, typically when I'm using this, I have multiple lines of text, and so I want this docked over here. The problem is I can turn this on and off, and it works out fine, but if I come up here and reset to my saved layout, it's not going to remember its location. It's always going to be over here in the center of the UI. And so let's take a look at how we actually get this to work then. So I'm going to place this where I want it, and so I always want it to open here. And so I'm going to come up here and do Save Changes to this workspace. And I don't always want it here, so I'm going to go ahead and close the panel, come back up here and do Save Changes to this workspace. So now when I click on this icon to invoke CopySwitch, it's always going to open in the correct location. And so if I come up here and do Reset to Save Layout, we can go ahead and toggle this on and off, and there we go. It's in the place that I want it to be every time. So hopefully that little tip helps you not fiddle with Windows as much and lets you focus on your project. Thanks for watching.